Hello guys, what's up? My name is Deb and welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. Around 6 months back, I bought the Motorola E7 Power. The one that you see here, this is the Tahiti blue version. I bought this as my secondary phone, and I am surprised that even today I'm getting queries about this phone. So I decided to do a 6 month later review of this phone. So here we go. um, as I said, though I bought this as my secondary phone, I ended up using it full time because my primary phone, that was also a Motorola, that broke and it completely died. And I decided that I will buy the Google Pixel 5a, but since it is they are just postponing the release date of that like every month. So right now it is scheduled to come out in September in India. So I have decided to wait for that, and as a consequence, I ended up using this phone as my primary phone for around 6 months. I am in a good position to give you a long term review of this and tell you what I think about this, the plus and the minus of this phone. So I will divide this video into parts according to its components. Let us start with the screen. So the screen itself is not made of Gorilla Glass. I have getting this query a lot, but Motorola have used something called the Panda Glass, and which I feel is equally as good as the Gorilla Glass. I till now I haven't found any problems. I am not even using tempered glass with this. There are minor scratches here and there, but nothing very serious. The screen resolution of this is HD plus. This is not a full HD screen. They use something called a max vision display, but it's quite good enough. It is 720p panel, but it's quite good. I have been watching a lot of content in this. I go to Amazon Prime. I watch a lot of YouTube videos in this, and some people say that since it's a 720 panel, they won't be able to see videos in 1080. That is not true. You can see videos in 1080, and trust me, you will see the difference. 720 and 1280 is much sharper than 720 videos in this phone. The colors are crisp, and as I said, you can watch full HD videos into that, even if this is just an HD screen. Coming to the build quality, the body of this is made of plastic, is not glass or metal, and I would say this is a good thing, as this is not slippery. This is a matte finish in this, and this is quite nice. This will not break if it falls down or anything like glass phones do. So but I would suggest use a back cover. I have been using this with the back cover, and that gives an added layer of protection to that. So that have saved my phone many times, and this fell down from pocket height, and I would say there is no scratches here till date, partly because there was a cover involved. So coming to sensor and switches, still now no problem with that. The power button, the volume rockers, and the Google Assistant switches all are very good. They don't rattle around. Very it's good. It's very snug, no rattling at all. All good as new. So this is the Google Assistant button. So initially I thought that this is just a gimmick, and it would not be of any use, but I actually ended up using this quite a lot for setting reminders and for just giving voice commands to search something in Google. Also coming to the fingerprint sensor, it is in the back, and this is quite fast. Even now this is very responsive. I actually prefer these physical sensors to the in-display ones, and these, as you can see, these are very fast. Now coming to the camera, this is one field which the less said the better. This camera has focusing issues. I have like very much problems when I try to focus while shooting videos or anything with that. The camera constantly keeps changing focus. Low light photography is the worst, and forget about night photos. If you love photography, stay away from this. Still pics are good enough in full daylight. Now we come to security and updates. So till now I have received 3 security updates in this. So the latest one is here, the Android security update 5 June 2021. So yeah, but till now no news about Android 11 upgrade though. Now we come to the speakers. The speakers are still going strong. It is as loud as ever. My Moto G9 speakers that went poof in just 3 months. I am very disappointed in that, but this one is still loud. But one problem is that it is on the back side, so that causes the problem as the sound fires away from you. It doesn't fire towards you, so you have to be careful about the placement of that. So let me just play something. This will blink on and off. So that's one thing that I like. So as you saw that, yeah, it is, the speaker is still very good. Also the Bluetooth and headphone has no problems connecting it as a headphone jack, thankfully. These days everyone is cancelling that out. So headphone, it gives good quality output. Bluetooth is also, there is no lag and it is quite good. Now coming to the charging of this. So this has a 10-watt charger. This is the supplied power brick. This does not have fast charging, so that's one bad thing I would say. But the plus point is that in this price range, this has a USB-C port, so that is one good thing. It takes around 3 to 4 hours to charge fully. I would say the charging is working well till now. It's good. I don't have any complaints with this, and at this price point USB-C is a plus point. Now we come to the battery. This is a 5000 mAh battery, and the performance of that has not degraded over time. I'm still getting around 2 days of function out of this on a single charge. Till now not even once the battery has died out on me, so the battery is good. Till now it's performing perfectly. Coming to the reception and call quality of that, I heard that a few people are complaining that the reception of this was not good enough, but for me it is quite good. I'm getting good reception. Even now you can see that it is getting 4G towers here, so that's nice. One bad thing about this is this has a single mic here. There is no secondary mic, there is no noise cancellation mic, but till now I did not face any problems with that. It is I don't think it will be good for loud places, like do not take out in marketplaces, but in this lockdown days it is not a problem, and I haven't tested out in crowded places till now. As I said, reception is good. There has been no call drop problems. Also this is 4G aggregation. Now coming to the OS, this has pure Android. This is very fast. It does not have any annoying bloatware or ads inside this. This use many of the same apps and softwares as the Pixel phone, so this is quite good, very good Android experience it gives, and because it is a pure Android, is quite fast. Now the most important question: is it slow? Did it slow down in the last 6 months? And how is the performance of the processor? So this does not have Snapdragon. This has MediaTek Helio G25 processor, and I thought that with time this might slow down, but this is still fast as ever. I'm very happy about that. I'm pleasantly surprised. No lags while opening the browser or any other tasks. You can use 6 to 7 apps simultaneously. 1 or 2 times I had issue with the keyboard, which became very slow while typing, especially in YouTube comments. I don't know why, especially in that. But I'm not sure that is the problem of this phone or it is the problem of the Google keyboard app. So this has Android 10, and it's still not upgraded to Android 11, and I'm not sure that it was supposed to, but I'm not sure when they will be doing that. Motorola is quite slow when it comes to Android upgrades. So now coming to the conclusion of this phone is still as good as the day I bought it, and I'm quite surprised at that. I'm surprised at its speed and its overall performance. I would say Moto has made a very good and rugged phone at this price point, which can withstand rough day-to-day usage. I bought this. This is the 6 GB. Sorry, this is the 4 GB and 64 GB variant. and I think that was available at 8,500, but I got that during the sale, and I think I bought it at around 8,000. But and I would say this is very good value for your money. And I would definitely say, for people who are thinking about buying this and people who are asking me the questions, I hope this video will answer a lot of these questions, and I would definitely recommend this for students, for attending classes, and even people who are in a tight budget. So I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any other questions, put them in the comments and I will answer each and every one of you. And if you like this video, do put a comment, do subscribe, think about subscribing, that helps a lot. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our recent videos here. Goodbye and stay safe.